So first off, what might the signature of this look like?
So I think we're still working with this checkout method, but now we're specifying a post condition of the method. So the signature is still patron checkout a loanable item as an argument and the implied argument of the patron, but the post condition is what we're worried about.
Okay, and that raises an interesting point. So we just had an example where we were expressing some of the properties of the checkout process, in this case having to do with kids.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? In fact, you can have any number of constraints about a particular class or a particular operation. And what they mean is it's as if you were anding all those together.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So this must be true, and this must be true, and this must be true. Well, the thing about the kids must be true, but it's only going to be true about kids. Okay?
Right.
So it makes sense that you can. What the designers of OCL have done is they've simplified the syntax by saying you don't have to do all those ands. Mm-hmm. If we just have the constraints listed there, we can focus on the ones that we want to focus on. So yes, in this case, the signature is going to be exactly the same as what it was before.
So how would we express, or could we express multiple pre and post conditions? Is there like an operation to string some together if we had multiple or would we need to make multiple constraint statements for the same method?
So you can do it, you can roll your own. Okay? So let's say we had 3 preconditions. Okay? You could have them all in the same constraint with ands between them. Okay? Or you could have 3 constraints each with 1 precondition.
Okay.
You're getting the same thing out of it. And the same thing on the post-condition side of things. And likewise, an invariant is something that must hold true. If you have 5 invariants, they all must hold true. It's as if you have ands between them.
Okay.
Okay. So that was the context and the signature for checked out in this case.